Hey physicists, this is Mr. Flelling, and I wanted to show you this is a wind turbine. So if you're doing the wind turbine, this hopefully will help for some of you who are having trouble or not with this. You'll notice down on the inside I have my axle and I have my sets of magnets. This is the same size that I handed out to each of you that asked. And I would have like the north end on one side, the south end on the other side, and then I just put like a nail or a small spacer to keep them from clamping together on both sides of that. Then wrapped around the box, I have the red magnetic wire that I gave you. You'll notice that the red isn't insulation, so whenever I came over to attach it to my LED, I don't know how well you can see it, but can you see it's more of a golden color there? I had to use some sandpaper in order to etch off those edges in order to make that be a circuit. So what I did was I took that wire and I looped it around the box, and I did the same direction the entire way. So if I started doing this counterclockwise on the top, whenever I flipped down to the bottom, I kept going counterclockwise. And I have about maybe 150 to 200 loops on the top, maybe another 150 to 200 loops on the bottom. Again, then that will connect straight over to the LED, so there's nothing in there, there's no batteries, there's no other energy supply. So literally whenever you spin this, then it should cause your light to blink, and I don't know how well you can see it because I have my flashlight on just to be able to see down in the magnets, but there's that flickering blue. So as I'm spinning it there, if I spin it harder, you can see from that. So that in essence is your wind turbine. The only other trick that you're going to have is what kind of blades and stuff are you going to attach to the axle here to get the axle spinning fast enough in order to get the light to flicker like that. Hope that helps, gives you an idea, maybe some of the things that maybe you were doing wrong or some of the ways that you could get it if you have no idea how to do it. Talk to you tomorrow.